In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a slide or a page slide in between your presentation slides. So I have here a presentation and I would like to add a blank page between number 4 and number 5. Now for you to add a brand new page between here, all you need to do is to hover over there and you'll see a plus icon or a plus mark will appear. Now tap on it to add a page. This will automatically add a page, as you can see. Now you can go ahead and add the text on this page as you wish, and if you are comfortable with the outcome, then that will be okay. Now sometimes maybe you don't want to use the new blank page or slide and you have your own slide that is already uploaded or you want to upload it. Now to do so, if you want to replace this slide with a pre-made slide, all you need to do is to go to the location where you want to add the page, and this time around, instead of clicking on add page, all you need to do is to go ahead and look for your new slide that you have already made in your Canva and upload it in your Canva. And once you find it, just go ahead and drop it where you wanted it to be. For instance, we want it to be here between number 3 and number 4. So if you see the mark, this mark, that indicates where the slide will be inserted. So to insert our new slide, just release and it will be inserted automatically. And as you can see, we have now our new slide here between our presentation. So that's how you add a new page between slides. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.